According to the World Economic Forum, who published a global cybersecurity outlook this year in 2024, mentioned that there is a growing cyber inequity. Now, the divide is only increasing with companies not prepared to recover from a cyber attack. By the way, I'm Demetrius Malbrough, Cloud Advocate, right here at Veritas, and I want to talk to you in TLDR fashion about the importance of performing recovery rehearsals and practicing. So the first thing that I want to mention is to make sure, number one, that you have a plan and you work across your teams to understand all of the mission critical applications, your data, everything that's needed in order to recover from a cyber attack. Each team, the cybersecurity team, your IT team, storage, backup, everyone is on the same page and they know exactly which systems to recover with the processes in place as well. Now that you understand which systems that you need to recover, make sure that you have that cyber recovery plan or that incident response plan in place. And that plan should be something that you go over via a tabletop exercise on a regular basis. You sit down across your organization with everyone that you need, including legal and HR and all of your different IT teams, to walk through exactly what is needed in order to overcome a cyber attack or any other type of malicious activity or event within your environment. The third thing that you also need to make sure that you do is you continue to practice the recovery efforts, because it's a difference in practicing it and the real thing actually happening. Now, the more you practice, the more muscle memory that you get, the more that all of your teams are working together in a stressful situation to understand and to know exactly which systems to recover, in what order, etc. And the last thing as well is to make sure that these are all updated on a frequent and more regular basis, because the more you update, the more lessons that you learn. You want to make sure that you continue to meet throughout your organization and that your top level executives are all bought in. And if they're bought in, then they're going to make sure that this is held at the utmost importance. So continue to stay vigilant out there. Hit that like button. Also, feel free to subscribe as well. We have more Lightboard videos coming your way. Thank you.